Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS big block, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air, finished in beautiful Kentucky blue, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. Man, what a car we got right here. I love an RS SS 69. Those hideaway headlights are my favorite. Look how pretty that is right there. If you can find a better front end on a car, please do so and let me know, because I don't think they made one. But we're going to take a look at this car here. Absolutely finished beautifully with blue, with the black vinyl top. It's got the correct rallies on it, just like everybody likes. We're going to take a look at the interior first of the passenger side. All the interior's in excellent condition. Really looks good. It's got the wood grain steering wheel. It's got the gauges in the console. Horseshoe shifter, tack in the dash. I'll show you that on the driver's side, but it really looks good. Dome light works. All the carpet looks good in the car. Just a really nice car. Doors look good. Really nice. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, we have the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good inside the trunk. All underneath the mat's in great shape. It's all been splatter painted. Really looks good. So it's got the spare tire sticker. But we're going to shut the trunk here. Also, for a factory big block car, did paint the rear valance black, and it is black, so that's pretty cool. So, and it's got the reverse lights in the bottom of the pan, like for RS, so that's really nice. Dad's gonna start it up for us here, and we'll hear how it sounds. Really has a good sound to it. I'm gonna cut it off here. Even the door buzzer works on this car. Show you the passenger side, the driver's side of the interior here. Really looks good. Wood grain steering wheel. Like I said, it does have the clock, and the clock is working. It has the tack in the dash, radio, factory air conditioning. Just really quality. Shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by a 396, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. The motor is a 1969 date correct engine for the car, and really sounds good, starts up good, and really just works great. Like I said, that door buzzer works on the car. It's got all new vacuum lines on this car. 69 RS had vacuum lines. I'm going to show you them opening and shutting real quick. Got to build up the vacuum. Yep, they both work, and let's shut them. Work great. But just a really nice car, finished beautifully. Paint and body work is in excellent condition. Vinyl top is in great condition. And but this is we're going to take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS big block 396, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. We got the windows down and it's a perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to turn around and take this car for a test drive and see how it does. Here we go. Runs and drives really good, shifts through all the gears the right way, no rattles or shakes in the car. It really does good. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this Camaro's made of. Car's got excellent power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. We're almost back here. Like I just say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.